Hello and welcome to Midtown Music and Arts Theory Lessons. This will be the first in a series of short videos aiming for 5 to 10 minutes long, where we cover the foundations of music theory in order to help you better understand music and be a better musician. We are starting from the very beginning here with steady beat and meter. When we listen to music, the most important thing that we will notice is the steady beat. This goes for all styles, all time periods. The steady beat is so important. In some music, it might be very subtle and you have to listen and think for a while before you can find it. In other music, it's very driving and strong and makes itself very much known. But the important thing is the steady beat does not speed up and it does not slow down. It stays the same. Mostly, I wrote here, because there are times that the steady beat will get faster, but then it will stay at the faster tempo, which is the speed of the beat. There may be times when the music slows down, but either it will slow down and stop, or it will slow down and then stay at the new slower speed. Steady beat is like the heartbeat of music. Just like your heart will get faster when you're running and then stay at that new faster speed, or it will slow down when you're resting and then stay at the new slower speed. But without the steady beat, just like your heartbeat, the music dies. There's a great music educator who once said, "Beats are like bananas. They like to live in bunches." And what he meant by that was that we put beats into groups. And when we have groups of beats, we call that grouping a meter. And that group will be repeated and repeated and repeated. And each time it repeats, the word would be a measure. Our most common groups of beats are groups of 2, 3, and 4. In each one of those, the first beat is a little bit stronger than the other. So I would count a group of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I would count a group of 3 as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I count a group of 4 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can make the first and third beat a little bit stronger, while the first is still the strongest, and I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a very popular rock and roll style of meter of 4. Now, when we have a group of musicians, they're playing a song together, we need a conductor in many cases to keep them all playing at the same speed. The conductor will wave their hands to create a unifying steady beat that keeps everyone together. They'll move their hands in that steady beat, following a pattern of 2, 3, or 4. In a pattern of 2, their hand will start up high, and then it'll go straight down and out, away from their body, and then it'll come in and back up, ending back where it would start. In a group of 3, it will come straight down, then go away from the body, and then will come in and up. And for a group of 4, they'll go straight down, they'll cross their body for beat 2, they'll go away from their body for beat 3, and then in and up for beat 4. These are closer pictures showing the same pattern. You'll see that there are other meters that you might run across, like meters of 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, even 12. But these 3 are the most common that you'll hear. They're going to be in more than 90% of the music that you will listen to. And whenever we hear other meters, a lot of times it's a combination of some of these. So if we hear a meter 5, it might go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a group of 2 and then a group of 3. Or I might hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be a group of 3 followed by a group of 2. We could also have, say, a group of 6 where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 2 groups of 3, and so forth and so on. If we get good at being able to recognize the steady beat and then figure out what pattern we're in, most of the time you're going to be in 2, 3, or 4. And that's going to really help you as we get into more music theory. Please click the like button, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the other music theory videos in this playlist and check out instrument-specific lessons on my other playlist. I have lessons on guitar, piano, and I will eventually have them on violin.